I am Dr. Emily Zall. I have been a dentist for about 3 years now. I did a 1-year residency after graduating from Marquette Dentistry over at Loyola Medical out in Maywood, where I did a lot of OR cases and was on call. And it was a little bit of a crazy year, but I learned a lot, which was awesome. And it's been nice to bring that back into my practice here in Northbrook, where things are a little bit more family style, which I really like. And it's been really fun so far. I've been here for starting my 3rd year, and I'm looking forward to many more. I come from a family of lots of dentists. My dad was a dentist, his dad was a dentist, and my mom's dad was a dentist, so I just thought that was what I was supposed to do. And from a young age, I was always told that you'll be a dentist someday, but mostly just because I liked doing things with my hands. I liked doing art projects, I liked doing puzzles, a lot of Legos, and all that things that you get to do with your fingers. And then as I've gotten older, I knew I wanted to do something in the healthcare field, working with people and making their lives better, and put those two things together, and I became a dentist. To me, the atmosphere of Northbrook feels like home. I grew up in a small area of Wisconsin that felt very similar, so it's been really easy for me to come into the community and just make it my own. I've been very welcomed, and everyone has been amazing. Outside the office, I like to be outside as much as possible. I like the sunshine, I even like the cold, it doesn't scare me very much. But if there's anywhere where I can go for a run, a bike, or even a swim, I would love to get outside. This past year I've really gotten into triathlons and marathons, so I'm looking for my next race always and looking for the next challenge. I've done the Chicago Marathon for the past 3 years, and I just completed my first Ironman triathlon. This past year for the Chicago Marathon, I beat my time by 5 minutes from the year before, which is really exciting. My mission is always mission to finish. I know I'm not going to be winning anything. It is just a hobby, but the Chicago Marathon is definitely one of my very favorite days of the year. The whole city comes out, cheers you on. Sometimes I forget that I don't even have my headphones in because everyone around is just giving such great energy, and it's been really fun to talk to patients about their experience either running the marathon or even just a 5K and kind of building that community up here in Northbrook with myself. So I love talking to my patients about what I do outside the office because it really brings us closer in that patient-doctor relationship, because it makes it more than just that. And that's my favorite part about being a dentist, is that I get to work with my patients and learn about them and their hobbies themselves and their families, and then we have a good working relationship where if they ever needed anything in the future, they know I'm around and I'm a good listening ear, and I know in return that I can also talk to them and we can have a little bit of a deeper relationship, which is nicer than just coming on and then getting their teeth cleaned. It's always nice to see everybody when they come into the office.